Hi, I'm DIY Jeff, and today I'm going to share with you my experiences when removing some old decals off my 2006 Ford Mustang.
DIY Jeff, a place to find helpful how-tos and honest reviews.
I'll discuss the techniques and products I use to try to get the old decals off and the pain I went through in the process. Most of the video is in time-lapse to speed it up, so hopefully it won't bore you. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. So let's get started.
I started by using a rubber eraser tool that I'd found online because I'd read some great reviews on it. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested where I found it. It attaches to the end of a drill and works just like a pencil eraser. The downside is it leaves rubber dust everywhere. It worked to pull off the top layer of the decal, but it left the sticky residue behind. So I tried using some Goo Gone and that didn't do anything. So I just kept at it with the rubber eraser and it finally worked its way off. It was painstakingly slow. I tried using a heat gun too, and it did a decent job of pulling off the top layer, but again, it also left the sticky residue behind. And so it was just a slow, tedious process. As you can see, I sped up the video so as not to bore you, while still giving you an idea of how long it took to do the project. I've added some music to help pass the time. Once I'd completed the trunk, I moved on to the hood, and I found the hood to be harder because the decal had cracked a lot from the sun, and it just made it harder to take off. Here I tried using the heat gun followed up by the eraser, hoping that that would work. And it did okay, but it still left a residue behind.
I won't bore you anymore with the rest of the project. The bottom line is, if you have old, cracked decals, be prepared that it's going to take you a while to get them off. I'd love to hear your comments and suggestions and your experiences when you removed old decals and with the best method you found to remove them. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, DIY Jeff. Also, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video.
DIY Jeff, a YouTube channel where I'm not gonna lie to you.